Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is cooking time and it's a lunch time. I have here vegetables. I'm going to saute vegetables. This is a radish slice, and this is the cucumber, red paprika, yellow paprika, carrots. I have here the onions and the garlic, and I have here the cabbage. And this one is a beef powder. I have here the sunflower oil, so I have already here preheated oil, and I'm going to use the garlic powder, the paprika powder, look at this, and the black pepper. So here in this preheated oil, I'm going to saute first the garlic. Okay, this is just plain vegetables that you are going to cook, a sauteed mixed vegetables without meat. This is good for the diet if you want to lose weight, so you can cook this way instead of eating fresh vegetables as a salad. So better you have to cook. So here we're going to saute first the garlic and the onions. Okay, here. The next I'm going to add first the carrots, because the carrots it's little bit more stronger than the cabbage and then the radish. So we will cook first the carrots. Okay. So after the carrots, we're going to add got here the radish. You see the radish? Usually we cook this in the meat soup, but I tried to cook this one and I found out that the radish is good when it is cooked. The taste is very sweet. So instead of cooking or mixing this to the soup, I cook this as a sauteed vegetables together with the cucumber instead of eating like a fresh salad. And this is good for the health. If you want to lose your weight, just prepare your vegetable like this. So this is a good replacement if you don't have sayuti. In the Philippines we call it sayuti or chayuti. So this is good. This is the white radish. So guys, try to cook like this. Try to cook your radish with carrots and with cucumber, and it is very yummy vegetables. You can eat this one without meat. Just simply cook it with the onions and garlic, the cooking oil, and let's add this black pepper, then this paprika powder, and we have this garlic powder also, and we will add this beef powder. We will put 1 teaspoon and we will mix. So when if this is already cooked, we will add the cabbage. So this is just a very simple menu for today. So if you want to lose your weight, prepare your vegetables like this, and this is a very good for the health. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare this in 5 minutes. Very quick and very easy cooking. So you can prepare So guys, this is ready because the radish, the cucumber, and the carrots is already cooked. So this is very quickly cooking. We will add this paprika. Look at this. And then we will add the cabbage. I have here the cabbage, so just mix all your cabbage and just mix it together. This is a very easy and quick preparation for your lunch or for your dinner. So if you are a vegetarian, this is good for you. You can serve this one with bread, or you can eat this one with boiled eggs or whatever you want. So we will not overcook the vegetables because it will lose the vitamins if it is overcooked. Look at this. This is already ready to be served. Look. So guys, this is my menu for today. This is a sauteed vegetables mixed with radish, cucumber, carrots, and cabbage. So thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this. Please leave a comment and share this video. So see you again in my next cooking time with SGM. Daghang salamat sa inyong panonood ng aking cooking time with SGM right here in Switzerland. Bye-bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and please click the notification bell so that you will be updated every time I upload a new videos. And please check out my other videos about my travel vlog exploring Germany, Switzerland, and other places. And also watch my videos for my recycling, and in my channel you will learn different things from me. So guys, once again, thank you, and see you again in my next vlog. Bye bye, have a nice day, bon appetit.